Okay, so for phase two, we've got our card folded, we've got our Revolution platform set up. We're going to start with laying our card onto the Revolution plate. Then we're going to stick our sticky mat, the one with the grid, I think you can see the grids there. We're going to lay it down on top of the base of the card. We still have the top card folded up. And now we're going to stick our number 3 egg on top of the cutting, or on top of the sticky mat. And I'm doing it in there kind of at an angle and a little low. So basically there is 1.5 inches about. Now we're going to shut the card and add on our top cutting mat. So everyone got that? Now we're going to slide it in until the handle kicks. We're going to roll it through. And I'll tell you why we're using the sticky cutting mat is to help protect the card from the back side, obviously. As you can see here, when we take off our cutting mat, here comes my blue egg. Now, open up the card. I can pull out the die, number 3 again, then the sticky mat, and then the card. And what that does is it helps protect the card from getting any marks on it. So that's why we want to use our sticky mat. So again, that's our first step. Now, we'll stick this aside, and I will cut out the egg out of the largest one, or number 5. We'll stick it into our Revolution. We'll stick the egg down. We'll stick the paper down. And this one I kind of did just with a fun, whimsical paper. We get our cutting mat, just our regular one, and get it rolled through. Now out will come a beautiful dazzled Easter egg. Now I'm using a double-sided paper here, and I'll show you why here in a second. So that, that's fun to do, easy to do, saves you a lot of scraps. We'll set this back to the side, and inside I'm going to place this egg. And we can actually line it up where if you egg, you can stand it straight up and down. We'll get some glue there. I'm using a Zig 2-way glue. 2-way means that if you stick it on there and let your two papers mix together while it's blue, it'll be permanent. Or you can wait until it dries a little and let it clear. So here's our egg from the outside and inside. Now I'm going to use our 2-inch die, and we'll be using the cut grass. And a lot of times when I'm working in the house, if I have a lot of cuts to make, I still do use my 2x2 quick cut squeeze. Just give it a nice little press down. And we still have, I believe, some of the soft grips here in the store, so if you need some soft grips for yours, this to me just seems a little bit faster sometimes. And I'm actually going to do 4 or 5 of these pieces of grass, so that way I can cover the bottom. I'll set that to the side. And as you can see, for those of y'all that don't have the squeeze, again, it just kind of helps squeeze the paper out, and out will come your shapes. Perfect again every time. So now I'm going to pull these out, and we'll get ready for phase 3. Thanks.